We started our chair design project by looking at a variety of different chairs. There are many different types of chairs. For our purposes, looking at cheap, wooden chairs was the most inspiring, because many designs using metal and plastic rely on the malleability and rigidness of those materials. Among wooden chairs, a common trend prevailed: 3 to 4 legs with some sort of cross support to keep them from giving in horizontally. We made a small model with thin cards in the beginning to get a handle on how to use slotted cuts as the primary method of holding the chair together. As we progressed to actual cardboard, we realized that we could reduce the amount of cardboard used by folding a single piece and holding it as a triangular prism with slotted wedges. We then created our first build of the chair. We only built the base because we wanted to accomplish the most important functionality of the chair, sitting, before we added the luxury of a backrest. As you might expect, everyone was a little nervous about testing the chair by sitting on it, so first we pressed down to see if it was able to maintain that much weight. Our first model was not able to support the weight of a whole person. It was back to the drawing board for a better structural design. Most of our refining was learning how to do a better job of securing the wedges while holding the legs together, and spacing the legs so that the weight of the person using it would be distributed appropriately. After we had adjusted the legs and seat, we added the backrest by inserting cardboard rods. The backrest was then added on top of these rods with slits.
What do you think about the strengths and weaknesses of our chair?
It's pretty sturdy. I don't feel uncomfortable. Definitely gives me good leg room.
Strengths and weaknesses of our chair.
The strengths would be in the back legs. One of the weaknesses would be just in the seat.
Are you able to lean back?
I am.
Right. How much do you weigh?
210.
210 pounds. All right.
Though our chair was no throne, it was able to fulfill the minimum required of it while very light on cardboard.